Thank you so very much. My name is Dr. Nyamira Mutanya, the Chief Officer in the Department of Public Service Management, where our law enforcement officers are anchored under that directorate. Let me start by congratulating the team, the officers, the officers who decided to come for the training. I know it has been a great and rigorous training, but here you are. We brought in 50 of them. We joined the 7 from Nyeri, and we are happy. As a mother, I am so happy to take out the whole number that we brought here. We thank God for that. And we also congratulate you for making it alive. For the Londiani Forest and Law Enforcement Academy, dear sir, we are so much grateful for the work that you have done to our team. We already saw a change in day 2, and I cannot miss to mention this, that I brought them on a Sunday, and on Tuesday when I came to see them, they were already changed. And now I am seeing a real change. That is the true meaning of any training, whether academic or the physical one that we are doing. And therefore, I want to appreciate the whole team, the whole fraternity of the Londiani Forest Academy. Both teams, Nyeri and Nyamira, I want to appreciate you for getting time to come so that we may celebrate our teams and go with them home. May God also bless you. There is a team that have in swearing in the team. I don't know how I can call you, but thank you so very much for coming with us so that we can make it wonderful. What I can urge all of us from the training that I have learned personally is that regardless of the hurdles that we face, just start. Once you start the first step, everything else will follow in place. And therefore, anything we do, be it in life, at work, or anywhere, just start with that one step. And for those very many remarks, allow me to invite
the Deputy Director, Kenya Forest Service, Mr. Wilson Leboo, the Commanding Officer, Forest Law Enforcement Academy, Mr. Mwandiga, distinguished officers and graduating enforcement officers from both Nyeri and Nyamira. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my singular honor and privilege to stand before you today on behalf of His Excellency the Governor Amos Nyaribo, who has sent his warm greetings and congratulations to all who are present here, especially to the graduating officers. His Excellency regrets that he is unable to attend in person due to other official engagements, but he has asked me to convey his deep pride and appreciation for this important milestone. Today marks a significant occasion, not only for the officers graduating from this esteemed academy, but also for the county government of Nyamira and Nyeri, and indeed for our nation at large. This pass-out parade symbolizes discipline, resilience, and the successful completion of rigorous training program aimed at strengthening enforcement capacity and promoting sustainable management of our natural resources. Allow me at the outset to recognize with great respect the appreciation and leadership present here today. I wish to sincerely acknowledge the Deputy Director of the Kenya Forest Service, Mr. Wilson Leboo, who has come to represent his boss in this occasion, for his steadfast commitment to excellence in forest governance and capacity development. I equally extend our heartfelt gratitude to the commanding officer of this academy, Mr. H.E Mwandiga, for his exemplary leadership and his standards of training upheld at this institution. To both of you, and through you, to the entire team of instructors and staff, we say thank you. Your dedication, professionalism, and tireless efforts over the past 1 month have ensured that these officers are well equipped with necessary knowledge, discipline, and the skills to effectively discharge their duties, and the impact of their work will be felt far beyond this academy in our counties and communities. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of His Excellency the Governor, I wish to reaffirm Nyamira County government's unwavering commitment to capacity building and professional development of these officers. We recognize that well-trained enforcement unit is essential for effective service delivery, protection of public service and resources, and maintenance of law and order. In this regard, the county government of Nyamira remains fully committed to strengthening its collaboration with the Kenya Forest Service and this academy. His Excellency has directed that we continue to invest in training opportunities such as this, and we look forward to sending more officers in the future to benefit from these high-quality programs offered here. This is part of our broader strategy to build a competent and disciplined and responsive enforcement service. The graduating officers from Nyamira and Nyeri County, allow me to congratulate you most sincerely. The journey you have undertaken over the last 1 month has not been easy. It has required sacrifice, determination, discipline, and resilience. You have endured the demands of training, both physically and mentally, and today you stand here, proud graduates of this distinguished academy. This achievement is not only a personal milestone, but also a testament to your commitment to serve. You have demonstrated that you are ready to take on the responsibilities entrusted to you with honor and professionalism. As you return to your respective counties, I urge you to carry forward the values and the principles instilled in you during this training. Uphold the highest standard of integrity, discipline, and accountability. Let your conduct reflect the honor of this institution and the trust that the counties have placed in you. Remember that enforcement is not merely about authority, it is about service. It is about protecting our environment, safeguarding public resources, and ensuring that the rule of law prevails. The knowledge and the skill you have acquired here must now translate into tangible impact in your duties on day to day as you serve. You are now ambassadors of professionalism and change. Go out and serve with diligence, fairness, and commitment to excellence. Let your actions inspire confidence among the citizens you are going to serve. Ladies and gentlemen, as I conclude, I once again extend sincere appreciation to the Kenya Forest Service and the leadership of this academy for their continued partnership and support. Together, we are building stronger institutions and a more sustainable future for our counties. To the graduates, congratulations once again. We are proud of you, and we look forward to seeing the positive impact of your service. Thank you, and thank you for the effort you have put and the endurance that you have had as you have been training. May God bless you all, and may God bless our great nation, Kenya. God bless you.
Today is a moment of pride and achievement It marks the successful completion of rigorous training for a diverse and highly capable group of officers, including both foresters and enforcement officers. Each of you has been equipped with the knowledge, the discipline, and skills necessary to serve our nation with diligence and integrity. Your roles are complementary and equally vital. While foresters serve as stewards of our forest ecosystems, ensuring sustainable management and conservation, enforcement officers will uphold the rule of law, ensuring that environmental regulations are respected and that those who threaten our natural resources are held accountable, among other issues. Together, you will form a unified front in the protection and conservation of our environment and the enforcement of our laws. As a county, Nyeri recognizes the critical importance of forest in sustaining livelihoods, protecting biodiversity, and securing our water towers. These natural resources are a shared heritage and a collective responsibility. The work you're about to undertake goes beyond duty. It is a calling to protect the very foundation of our nation. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to particularly underscore the key issues relating to enforcement, which will define the achievement and credibility of your service. The fight against illegal activities such as logging, charcoal burning, encroachment, and forest produce trafficking requires vigilance, intelligence-led operation, and interagency collaboration. You must remain alert and proactive in detecting and disrupting these activities. The community engagement is essential. Sustainable enforcement cannot be achieved through force alone. Work closely with the local communities, educate them, build trust, and encourage community-led conservation. The public should not see you as adversaries, but as partners. Your safety and professionalism in operations must also never be compromised. We emphasize that the rule of law must be your constant guide. Farm enforcement must always be balanced with fairness, with proportionality, and respect for human dignity. We remain committed to strengthening this collaboration together with the national government agencies through partnership to enhance enforcement capacity. To the Commandant and the entire training team, I extend my sincere appreciation and that of the County Government of Nyeri for your dedication and professionalism in shaping these officers. Your work is critical to the success of our nation. To the graduates, I offer my heartfelt congratulations. You have demonstrated commitment and perseverance. As you step into service, remember that you're both protectors and enforcers of the law. Carry this responsibility with honor, with humility, and
of 2026. Today, I'm delighted to receive you here at Forest Law Enforcement Academy for official closure of the Nyamira and Nyeri County Law Enforcement course number 1 of 2026, which commenced on 15th March and now ending today on 14th April 2026, having lasted for a period of 1 month. This course covered several areas, including but not limited to the following: drills and parades, law and procedures, communication skills, report writing, conflict management skills, ethics and integrity, human rights-based approach, physical fitness, county law procedures, county human resource management instruments, among others. Today, we are not just closing this course. We are releasing into the field a team of trained to uphold order, dignity, and rule of law, respective counties of operation areas. I want to commend the job well done by this dedicated team of instructors in the academy who work tirelessly to hone this graduating team with both toughness and professionalism. We have inculcated in them a culture of enforcement with respect to humanity that is key to good service delivery. The graduating team, as reported to this course, were drawn from various wards and backgrounds within your respective counties. Through early morning drills, law and procedure classes, basic first aid skills, customer care, and public relation training, You have been molded to become one team. Remember, learn that your baton is not your first tool. Your brain and your mouth should be. Always keep in mind that county enforcement is the face of the devolution that wananchi see every day in markets, bus parks, streets, construction sites, and county forests. How you will act will depict how citizens judge their county government. So carry with you these three values: discipline, rule of law, and respect. Your job will test your patience daily. You will meet defiance, insults, and temptations. But remember to choose professionalism every time. To the families of the graduates, I thank you for releasing these officers for training and handling various domestic issues while these officers were away for training. Moreover, I appreciate the trust and working relationship that has developed between the two counties, Nyamira and Nyeri, and Forest Law Enforcement Academy. The trust you gave us to train your personnel is not in vain. We value it so much. This being the beginning of our engagement in this training business should mark continuity for future training activities. Lastly, I take this opportunity to thank the management of the Kenya Forest Service, also the Chief Conservator of Forests, for granting us the opportunity to conduct this training. May God bless you all, and may God bless Kenya. Now I take this opportunity to welcome.
We are here because of these graduates. It is 1 month down the line since these officers joined this institution for paramilitary training. First and foremost, let me take this opportunity to congratulate the CEO of this institution, Mr. Mwandiga, for their courage and having instigated the courage in me. When I was preparing for the Nyamira team, I told him there are a few things here and there which have not been completed for me to bring my officers to this college. He told me, bring them as they are. And that is why this training has become a success. We have been going with him on day-to-day basis, seeking advice, and he has been assuring the county team that at whichever cost the training will go on and the training will come to an end as it has come today. Thank you, Commandant Mwandiga, for having been with us. Where there have been issues, you have been ready to solve them. At long last, we have come to the end of this training today. For the graduates, let this be a change in your life and at your place of work. We have had Nyeri County and Nyamira County training together in this institution. I hope we have cultivated, or you have cultivated, the relationship between yourselves that will make you to do a reference where you did not understand the issues properly. We are partnered with the national government, and we will continue partnering with this institution. For the remaining officers that we have in Nyamira County, we will ensure that they will be trained in this institution. We are still in the process of ensuring that we will be able to have another 50 officers. These having been the first cohort from Nyamira County. The second cohort is just on the way. For those remarks, we welcome the County Chief Officer, Dr. Masi Mutanya.
So I'm here to represent our Chief Conservator of Forest, who is Mr. Alex Lemarkoko. I'm not new with this team. I think when they reported, we did the opening ceremony, and I was privileged to be a person also who came for the opening of the course. So today, I'm honored to preside over the closing ceremony or graduation for Nyamira and Nyeri County Law Enforcement course 1 of 2026. As we close it, we open a new chapter in the protection of Nyamira County resources, the county infrastructure, and Nyeri County green heritage, and that range from the slopes of Mount Kenya and Badea ranges to our community forest and water towers. Kenya Forest Service is mandated by law to assist county governments to build capacity in forest management in their respective counties. Among such is training on law enforcement skills. I'm aware that this course started a month ago with a good coverage in drills and parade, patrols, law and policy, communication skills, first aid, health and hygiene, ethics and integrity, among other areas. Hence, with that capacity, you can manage your county resources very well. To Nyamira County Enforcement Team, you play a very important role in enforcing the county laws and procedures. You are the frontline in image of the county in discharging your respective duties in markets, bus parks, county streets, among other areas. Your image will reflect how Kenya public will perceive your county government. Always act with decorum while dealing with citizens. Apply the necessary conflict de-escalation mechanism in solving conflicts. The hard and soft skills you have acquired in this course should enable you to discharge your duties effectively. To Nyeri County Forest Rangers, similarly, you are well honored with hard and soft skills in forest protection and security. Patrols and patrolling doctrines will enable you to stand firm when dealing with forest threats. The Nyeri forest ecosystem form part of our Kenya water towers. Every tree you protect feeds our rivers, which then provides sustainable water supply in our towns and homes. In order to discharge this noble duty, you pack yourself with this, with the values that is discipline, integrity, and partnership. The common forest threats are illegal logging, charcoal making, encroachment, wildfires, and of course, in terms of enforcement, issues of corruption also come up. So enhance the highest level of integrity and accountability in discharging your duties. Be prepared to deal with them effectively. Kenya Forest Service will continue to partner with the county governments in tree planting to achieve the presidential visionary target of 15 billion trees by 2032. In doing so, we have rolled out and developed our participatory forest management agreements in various counties. So far, we have realized good results through community forest association programs which go beyond to enhance food sustainability. I encourage everyone to plant and grow trees during this rainy season. To instructors headed by the CEO, I recommend you for the job well done. You have made the service proud in several occasions of your service delivery. Maintain the same spirit. I appreciate all the stakeholders and most importantly, the Nyeri and Nyamira counties. We have built trust and training partnership together. As you go back to your respective countries, pass our greetings to your leadership back home. Let me take this opportunity also to congratulate the graduates for the training they have undergone and the display that you've done today. It is really, you've really